hit record. Okay, now we're recording. Yep, 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 yep. Bang, boom, smash, bish, piff, poof, pow, pow, pow. Yeah, yeah. All right, this is a test of the DJI microphone setup. See how it sounds, how it records. It looks like, yeah, we're doing pretty good right there. I got the camera preamp down. And talking in a normal voice, looks like we're right there where it should be. Okay. This little doodad here. Little doodad here. Seems like it's working good. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something with this background. People don't like a distracting background. They want a plain background, non-distracting. This is very distracting. Got too much junk here, too much stuff on the wall. Got too much over there. Definitely, people don't like him. Yeah, they don't like this guy. Where are we at? Is it showing? Yeah, they don't like this guy. And there's too much distraction there. Too much distraction there. Too much distraction over here. Too much over here. I think we're just too distracting here. I guess maybe I can put up a curtain? Put up a curtain here? What do you think? Yeah? Maybe. I don't know. I gotta clean up this place. This place is a mess. Holy shit. I need to sell all this stuff on eBay. But yeah, this is distracting. Everything's distracting. Oh well. I guess I could come where I come in the door, maybe? Let's see. Where are we at? Right there? I could... Oh, maybe? Let's see. Where I make my grand entrance. Alright, let's see. Start here. Come in. Ta-da! Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine head my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. How was that? Is that pretty good? Alright, this is another test. Testing the mic and the camera setup. Yep. Alright.